So today's video is sponsored by AUTOONE. A company reached out to me. They sent me a set of LED bulbs for the wife's Sierra and this jump start pack. So we're going to go ahead and try this jump start pack on this car. This car has actually never been on the channel. I've had this car since 2019. There's a whole backstory behind it. It was my father's car that I inherited. When we moved to Florida, I left it in Georgia. And when I went to go register my wife's Yukon, her new truck in Georgia, I drove it back and it's been here sitting. I let her drive it once. She shredded the tire. If you guys are married, you know how that goes. But I have to move it because we have some family in town, and one of them has like an RV thing, so they're gonna put it here. So I just need to move this out the way. It runs and drives, but it's got an issue with the cluster that just drains the battery completely. So we're gonna see if this AUTOONE Jump Starter, fresh out the box, can fire this thing up. So what we have here is a 2000 E430 Mercedes. So my dad bought this car brand new in 2000. I went on my very first date in this car. I took my driving test in this car. What else? I went to my senior prom in this car. So he passed away in 2017, and my wife and I actually flew to California and we road tripped it back in 2019. And see, the battery's completely dead. I got two remotes for it, won't open it. So it's been a good car. I don't drive it much because I have a lot of cars already. So it's kind of like a spare car. So it's always been like a spare car. Me and my wife use it for like date nights and stuff like that. But it's pretty clean, all original. The only thing I've done to it since I had is put a sound system in it, tint the windows. It needs a few things, but for now we're just gonna get it moved. I'm gonna try to jump it under the hood first. See if this jump starter can do it. If not, we'll have to pull the back seat up and jump it straight from the battery. Even my other jump starter couldn't jump it from here, but we'll see if this AUTOONE jump starter could do it. It needs some hood hinges, so. All right, so let's unbox this thing. Got a quick start guide. We got the unit, and I haven't even charged this thing. I got it probably about 2 weeks ago, and it's literally just been sitting in the drawer. And my wife told me, hey, we got some people coming in town, and you got to move that thing. So I was like, you know what? This would be the perfect opportunity to test this thing out. Oh, it's blinking. Blinking bright jumper cable connect start. Ready to start. All right, I guess I don't have to turn it on or anything. So let's see. Alrighty. So the jump ports on these are like anything else. It's a remote jump port. I think that's it. So let's see if it works. I hear it clicking. Oh, we got lights. I'm gonna have the wife go ahead and try to start it. She's the reason the tire's flat. No. Turn it off, try it again. Okay. All right, so we're gonna have to try to jump this at the battery under the seat. All right, so to get to the battery, it's under the back seat. And what's funny about this car is I actually filmed a whole video of me driving from Georgia to Florida in this car. I was like, this will be a vice grip garage type vlog, but literally nothing happened. The car drove flawlessly, zero problems, nothing to film, just me driving. All right, so this is a big hunk of a battery back here. It's a H8. So let's get the jump starter on here and see what happens. Alrighty, so let's try jumping this thing at the battery. right, we got one there. All right, let's try it again. All right, woman, try to start it. You have the key. You broke it again. Ah! Okay, hold on. Okay, try it now. Let me see. All right, she's running. Just took a second. We'll fix the seat later. Alrighty, so check out AUTOONE. They have jump starters. They have LED headlight kits, all kinds of cool electronics. We'll probably end up just sticking this one in the wife's Yukon, so she'll have a jump starter for herself, just in case something happens where her battery dies. Like I said, we don't drive this car much, so not too worried about leaving it in here. I will be filming some. I do have plans for this car, and I will be filming some content on it pretty soon. I just want to get the Impala build done and stuff like that. But yeah, we got some mild plans for this. Nothing crazy, you know. Want to keep it somewhat as original as possible with just a few minor tweaks. So check out AUTOONE.com for your jump starters, LED lights, and all kinds of cool electronics. Shout out to them for sponsoring the video today.